everybody, I'm Susan from Senior Style. Hope having a great day. This is gift giving day 2 for December. So not every day I'll be showing a gift or what I got or whatever, but anyways, I just thought it would be kind of fun. And if you want to see anything from my collection, makeup, my bags, my Pandora, anything like that, I'll be more than happy to show you in a little bit more detail. I do have my holiday Pandora bracelet on, and I had some questions regarding this, so I may be putting a video together about that, which would be kind of fun. And the bag of the day is my 50th anniversary Disney Dooney in a satchel. So, and then the inside is really super cool. It's got really great organization, and there's 50s all in the lining, basically. All right, so that's my bag of the day. It's raining, so I was gonna take my new bag out, but I was afraid of the caterpillar because it's hand painted apparently, so I was a little bit scared to take it out and ruin my new bag. Maybe it'd be okay, I'm not sure, but you know how it goes. All right, so we went to just got back from the Olive Garden. It was really good. We had grilled chicken Alfredo. The bread was excellent. Everything was excellent there. The service was really good. It wasn't that expensive. It was, you know, borderline, but it wasn't bad. And the parking, people, yeah, it's a little bit of a nightmare in Langley, but then we went over to Willowbrook, and I met with my favorite Dior lady. She's very nice. She's a makeup artist. She does all this fancy stuff, and she's like great. So she always treats me nice, and she's fun to talk to. She has a lot of knowledge because she's a makeup artist. You know, they know a lot of stuff. And anyways, I was looking for this Dior show in marine, which is kind of like a denim blue. No, they discontinued it, and I've had this for 5 years, three or 5 years, I'm not sure. But Dior makeup, I know it's kind of spendy in the beginning, but this I've had for almost 5 years, and it just started to go. So, I mean, you can't beat that for eyeliner. It's really pretty. So anyway, so she was nice enough to give me this tester, which is 084, and it's a crayon, and it's similar to blue gray. So I'm going to try that. So that was really sweet of her. So I purchased this. This is kind of cool. This is for women or men. And it's a tinted lip balm. Now, they have the clear one that she recommended for men, but the container is black, so it would be like a unisex, you know, gift. And they're very nice gift. This is in 100, and it's called Nude Look. And let's go ahead and open it up and see what it looks like. But yeah, she's fantastic. So if you ever go to Langley, make sure you check her out. She will definitely help you. And she's very, very smart. See, it's black, which is really cool. And then it has the CD. And then, you know, it tells you what it is, obviously. But these are lip balms, but they're tinted. So I never seen such a thing. And they're really moisturizing. Look at this color. Let's take a look. Look at that color. And that's a lip balm. So yeah, so that's pretty doggone cool. So anyways, so that was my gift number 2 for December. So I'm waiting for my other bags to come, and Ted just won a bid on a really cool vest. So his other one he's had since the 70s, finally wearing out. He needs to get another one in wool. It's very hard to find. And the stuff that they have now, it's like that polyester, and you just like barely touch it and it rips, you know, that bubble, I don't know. So anyway, so yeah, so that will be coming. So we'll just be showing whatever gifts we get throughout the month. And like I said, whatever you guys want to request below, I'll be more than happy to put something together. I did get another request to show my 3 Louis bags that I had redone in the process with that. So I'll be putting that together as well. So thanks, Rebecca. Thanks, Leslie. Give a shout out to Kathy and Catherine. Please subscribe to my channel. Tell a friend. It's just fun. We just have fun on the channel. I'm not trying to get any money out of the deal. I just enjoy it. So come along, subscribe, share, comment, request. Really do appreciate that. So until next time, thanks for watching. Susan from Senior Style with the senior point of view. Have a great day, guys, and thanks again for watching. Bye.